Hello everyone, my name is VJ and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the series of the CKA exam questions, this is the question 5 around HPA. So let's see the question. Create a new horizontal pod autoscaler named Apache server in autoscaler namespace. The HPA must target the existing deployment called Apache Deployment in the autoscale namespace. Set the HPA to target 50% CPU users per pod. Configure the HPA to have a minimum of 1 pod and a maximum of 4 pod. Set the downscale stabilization window to 30 seconds. So let's start it. As you know that I have created these labs for you to practice because previously there was no labs to practice and you were like how to practice this question. So I've got this now. So we go to the Horizontal Pod Autoscaler lab. It will take a moment to come up. It's here now. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to clear this screen. All right. So first of all, we're going to check if there's a deployment or not. So let's do this. Okay. Deploy namespace. Autoscale. So we can see there's one deployment here. So it's all looking good. We can also check the pod in Autoscale. So git pod Autoscale. So pod is also there. Now we need to create a horizontal pod autoscaler. So for that, we go into documentation. So go back. I'm going to type HPA. And the first result, you go to this. And you will look into walkthrough examples. And the walkthrough examples, to make sure not copying deployment, you are copying something called Horizontal Pod Autoscaler as a kind. I'm going to copy this, go back to the lab, vi, just say hpa.yaml. You can give any name, by the way. Paste it. And we're going to create this. It has been given an exam. This is name should be Apache server. Namespace should be Autoscale. Name of the deployment should be Apache Deployment. So this is all given in the exam. Similarly, the pod should be 4. Everything seems to be fine. The last point says set the downscale stabilization window to 30 seconds. So we have to go back here and I will search HPA again. And in this window, I'm going to search for the stabilization. I just did it so you can see stabilization. And if I come down, there should be some example here. So this is the stabilization window. And if I copy this and if I go to next line, paste, make it 30. This is not looking aligned, so this is all looking fine. What you can do, you can always check. So say behavior should be under the matrix, which is the same this. And if you do 2 space here, it should be fine in 2 space here. So skip, WQ, and now we're going to apply. So kubectl apply -f hpa.yaml. So this has been created. Now you need to check your autoscaler, right? So git pod in autoscaler. So this is showing that the support is there, and we also need to check horizontal pod autoscaler. So kubectl get HPA in, because this is the command. Even if you do not run this one, you have to run this command to see whether it has applied or not. So this is the requirement, that this should be 50% CPU utilization. This is what's wanted to have. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully my lab helps you. So please subscribe and also practice so you can pass your exam. All the best. Thank you.